Masenso gabi mga kasenso. Welcome back sa itong first ever Mayor sa Mikasenso Barangay Kapukaron. Welcome na sab ka mo nga mutana og mo cheer sa ato ka-fourth game which will be played by Barangay Santa Maria versus Barangay Banaleog mga kasenso. Ayaw ka mo kalimot nga mo like, mo follow, mo share sa atong Facebook page Asenso Sports Channel ug sa atong YouTube account Asenso Sports Channel Official ug sa ka mo kalimot nga personal nga mabisita diri sa atong Pagadan City Gym para personal ka mo nga makatanaw ug maka-cheer sa ato ang mga games. So mga kasenso, fasten your seatbelts, relax, stay tuned, and enjoy the game. I'm Ivy Marchan Carpentero, padayon pag-asenso, pagadian.
Barangay Santa Maria, orange color. Barangay Banale, alternate color. Mag-start na ta.
Hello! Sumayang hapon mga kasenso. It's your boy George. Karong gabi una. This is your first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup to be played between Barangay Banale and Barangay Santa Maria. So sa mga tanang ng lantaw no, palihog like and share sa ato ang live coverage para daghan-daghang makakita. First quarter mga kasen, so we have a tie ball game, 14-14. And Barangay Santa Maria will call a timeout. Back to the ball game, no? We have a tie, tabla, parihas, iguales. Tura, 3-pointer, no good. Rebound by Barangay Banale. Lee, tutura. To number 21, 3-pointer. Yes, sir! Para sa Barangay Banale. Kabantak, passing the ball to De Los Santos. Back to Kabantak. Fake pass. Back to Kabantak, his father. To his son, to De Los Santos ulit. Steal by Ande. Ande, lilipad. Easy layup para kay Ande. Shout out Sir Jason Roy Tabacon watching from La Suerte. De Los Santos, lefty layup is good para kay De Los Santos. Oh, a steal by De Los Santos. Sneaky play by Barangay Santa Maria. Palwa, tutura, jumper, masyadong malakas. Offensive rebound by Lee. Passing the ball to Palwa ulit. Palwa with jumper. Yes sir, para kay Palwa. Kabantak na with the ball mga ka-Asenso. Passing the ball to Mendoza. Pass to the wing. Kabantak. No hesitation. 3-pointer. Masyadong malakas. Offensive rebound Barangay Santa Maria. And the foul is called against Ande. Si shout out na ko no sa PCIC ganiya nga kag World Teachers Day. Teachers Day. Si shout out pa ko sa kong maestro nga gatudlo na kog inom. Joke lang. And Kabantak with a 3-pointer mga ka-Asenso. Ending that first quarter, we have a tie ball game, 21-21. Shout out pa ko sa live control day nga naa dire si Gilbert. Amo to Papa Gilbert magyapon Glibog naman tani noon. Shout out pa kong Tiray. Shout out pa kong Lula Rayma. Shout out kong Kuya Jabs. Shout out kay Patriconio Ignacio ang kaniyang ngalan. Mag shout out po sa inadap sa live control, Rodil Himaya Yuyo. Oy, happy Teachers Day pod, Edmar. The sharpshooter ng Barangay Tuburan, Walo. Shout out ni mo Dol. Good luck sa inyong mga upcoming games, Dol. Patay gilabay de kag eraser sa una. Patay ni si Balungkas gilabay eraser. Pabuyag siguro kayo. Pero part of schooling rabon ng labayan tag eraser. Normal rin ang labayag eraser. So back to the second quarter. Tie ball game 21-21. Kabantak na with the ball. Passing to Mendez. Mendez bagong pasok, bagong ligo. Fresh na fresh. Pasa ka De Los Santos. De Los Santos 3-pointer. Patay ang butiki. Lumayas na with the ball. Passing the ball to Delardo. Tura rather. 3-pointer. No good. Rebound by number 12 ng Barangay Banale. Lumayas ulit. Lumayas. Good fake. Strip by Torres. But Torres is caught hacking the hands up. Lumayas. Automatic. Kanang inom-inom. Di na mawala sa inig mag-skwila ka. Kaya ito ang lawas ng inahanglan po nag-alcohol. Lumayas, splitting his free throws mga kasenso. Bola na kay number 12. Pasa kay Tura. Another one para kay Tura. Pasok na para kay Tura. Mendez with the ball. Pass to Kabantak. Kabantak. Balik kay Mendez. Mendez. First attempt of the ball game. Mintes. Lumayas with the board. Hagoy. Kanang pamayi. Marag okay nang mamayi. Basta isa lang kabuok. Pero daghan na kayo. Di na part of schooling. Part of flirting na nang inana. Bitaw joke ra. Mendez now with the ball. Passing the ball to Kabantak. Kabantak to Mendez. Kabantak. Mendez. Atake. Mendez nang alabaw. Basket is good para kay Mendez. Tura na naman. Corner 3-pointer. In and out. Mendez with the rebound. Outlet pass to Kabantak. Kabantak to De Los Santos. De Los Santos. Layup is good. Ball na kay number 12. 3-pointer. Wala. Bola na kay De Los Santos. De Los Santos na with the ball. De Los Santos behind the back to Kabantak. Corner 3-pointer. Short this time. Bola na kay Tura. Tura between the legs. Backs up. 3-pointer. Mintes na naman para kay Tura. De Los Santos with the ball. Picks up his dribble. Pass to Mendez. What a good cut by Mendez. Mendez. Mintes. Another rebound. Another attempt. Wala pa rin but he is fouled by Lumayas.
Substitution. Number 9, Batan, or number 8, Cora. Number 16, Andy, or number 10, Lumayag.
Ande na with the ball. Pinasa sa corner. 3-pointer. Wala. Offensive rebound Barangay Banale. Another attempt. Fouled behind. Kinsay foul rep? Foul number 20. Ano to foul? 18. Ay, 23 di ay. Kita galing. Di maklaro. Yunson nailing his first free throw. Pangalawang tira, wala. Bola na kay Bathan. Pinasa kay Lumayas. Lumayas, nag-iisa. 3-pointer. No good. Rebound pa rin para sa Barangay Banale. Third attempt. Ande. Yes, sir! Para kay Ande. A 3-pointer is shot by Ande, mga kasenso. Bola na kay Torres. Torres, floater. Pabandang tira is good. Para kay Torres. Bathan giving up the ball to Ande. Ande na naman. Miss this time around. Bola na kay Bathan. Bathan, screen by Lee. Pass to Yunson. Yunson. 3-pointer. Yes, sir! Para kay Yunson. Outlet pass to De Los Santos. De Los Santos. Hindi mahawakan ng bola. Bathan away the ball. Bathan to Ande. Yunson rather. Yunson. Short. Ande. Tip. Pass to Yunson. Another one. Yes, sir! Para kay Yunson. Mendez. Aatake. Pinasa kay number 23. No good ang basket but may foul na tinawag. De Los Santos to Mendez. Good cut by Mendez. And a good basket din para kay Mendez. 37 point lead by Barangay Banale. Bathan with the ball. Stolen away by Kabantak. Kabantak. Layup ni Kabantak. No good. Pass outside. Mendez. Nag-iisa. 3-pointer. Mintes. Ande na with the ball. Ande, hesitation dribble. Turn around. Crossover. Basket. Mintes para kay Ande. Mendez na with the ball. Pass the ball to De Los Santos. De Los Santos, 3-pointer. Yes, sir! Para kay De Los Santos. Yunson, good fake. 3-pointer. Binawi naman ni Yunson. Ang 3-pointer na yon. Kabantak na with the ball. What a move by Kabantak. Pinasa kay De Los Santos. De Los Santos, no hesitation. Short this time around. Bola mapapapunta sa Barangay Banale. Yunson na naman, 3-pointer. Isa na naman para kay Yunson, mga kasenso. Yunson is flaming hot ngayong second quarter. Nag-aapoy ang mga kamay ni Yunson sa 3-pointer. Grabe ning kamot ni Yunson. Ay, mura magabaga. Uwara pass kay by Kabantak to Mendez. No look pass kay Mendez, mga kasenso. Credits para kay Kabantak sa pasa na yon. Yunson na with the ball. Titira ba sa half court? Dili di ay. Bathan now. Handling the ball. Pasa kay Yunson ulit. Yunson na naman. Wala na. Ubos ang Buenas. Kabantak with the ball. Kabantak nag-isa. Breakaway layup is good. Murag Justin Brawley. Lagi, boss. So, congrats di sa Gilas, no? Maka-fight for gold pa ang Gilas. Credits kay Justin Brownlee. Back-to-back 3-pointers against China. So, suportahan nato ang Gilas Pilipinas sa dula nila fighting for gold, no? Shout out sa tanang team Gilas dia. Kabantak picks up his dribble, pass to Torres, back again to Mendez, no good. Mendez nakahawak ng bola. Mendez layup is good para kay Mendez. And a timeout is called by Barangay Banale. Nagkalayo na ang kamot sa kang amigo nga si Randel Yonson. Cambras diha pre. Dagi? Power ka sa Yonson bay? Tulo ka 3-pointer, sunod-sunod. Pa-shoutout Ming, Jermaine Tura og Macniel Barcoma diha nga gadula sa Team Banale. Oh, shoutout daw kay Tura og kay Barcoma ana si Ras Ferl Jun Daguman Alvarado. Bathan with the ball. Driving, pass to Palwa. Oh, what a good strip by Torres. De Los Santos comes up with the ball. De Los Santos pass the ball to Mendez. What a crossover by Mendez. Drop pass to Torres. Mintes, but Pasa is there to put it back. And only now a 2-point lead by Barangay Banale mga kasenso. Batahan straight away 3-pointer. Masyadong malakas. Yunson with offensive rebound. Yunson doing everything para sa Barangay Banale. Number 6, 3-pointer. Mintes, Ande with offensive rebound. Third try by Bathan. Yes sir! Para kay Bathan. Torres, finger roll is good para kay Torres. Bathan passing the ball to Ande. Ande from way downtown. No good. Gikan tog Banale tong tiraha. And that's the end of our first half mga kasenso. Atong score 46-43. 3-point lead by Barangay Banale.
Boy Valeling Fernandez.
Test. Wow, gi-share gini ya. Wala, galibog na og asa akong tubig ani. Sa bukay. Pariya bagay kadagana, yo kay. Mas daan man kay kabukal-bukal naman. And welcome mga ka-Asenso sa itong first Mayor Samico Asenso Barangay Cup. Welcome sa itong third quarter between Barangay Santa Maria and Barangay Banale. And Mendez with the ball. 3-point lead by Banale. Now De Los Santos for 3. Kablam! De Los Santos opening the third quarter with a 3-pointer. And Kilat answering back. And Kabantak with an easy basket. And Ande nailing that 3-pointer mga ka-Asenso. De Los Santos answering back. And Palwa missing the jumper. Andy nakuha ang bola and he was fouled by Torres.
Foul number 8, Flores. Second personal foul. First big foul, Slatmire. 2 shots for number 60, Mohaisi Ande.
Mendez with a jumper missed. Torres missed the putback. And now Andy with an easy basket. And De Los Santos with a step back 3-pointer. Mendez attacking, and the layup is good. And Andy missing the 3-pointer. Mendez for 3. No good. Andy to Bathan. Bathan for 3. Missed. Palwa with offensive rebound. Palwa missed the layup. And now Kabantak to Torres. Basket is good. And a timeout was called by Barangay Banale. With 6 minutes remaining sa third quarter, at the score 58-55, 3-point lead by Barangay Santa Maria. And this timeout is brought to us by our Honorable Mayor, Mayor Samico. And Palwa missed the layup. And ball possession will remain with Banale. Palwa with a jumper, no good. Rebound by Torres. Now Mendez with the ball. De Los Santos for 3, no good. Offensive rebound by Torres. And Andy with an easy layup.
Uhaise Ande.
De Los Santos for 3, missed. Rebound by Tura to Andy. And a timeout called by Barangay Santa Maria with 4 minutes remaining sa third quarter at the score 58-59, 1 point lead by Barangay Banale. And this timeout is brought to us by our league convener, Sir Lansco. And happy Teachers Day mga ka-Asenso. No, greetings coming from Asenso Sports Channel. Yes, I would like to greet all teachers. Happy Teachers Day and dagang salamat sa koan teachers since I was a kid. Yan. And Torres missing the first throw as he was fouled earlier. And over the backboard violation. Nakabantak to De Los Santos for 3. Kablam! De Los Santos already with 4 3-pointers sa third quarter alone mga ka-Asenso. And Tura can't answer back. Rebound by Torres. Kabantak for 3, short. And Andy with a layup. And a steal by Lee. And Lee was fouled. Such a careless pass committed by Santa Maria, resulting into a turnover.
Substitution. Number 7, Hernandez for number 22, Mendoza.
And Mendez missing the layup. And Torres with a basket. And Johnson with a floater. And Tura with a basket. 3-point lead by Barangay Banale. And Mendez with a pull-up jumper. Seconds remaining sa tong third quarter. Kilat for 3. Kablam. Kabantak for 3. Kablam. Kabantak answering back with a 3-pointer. And that was our third quarter, mga kasenso. Ato score 68-69. 1-point lead by Barangay Banale. And welcome mga kasenso sa tong fourth and final quarter between Barangay Santa Maria and Barangay Banale. De Los Santos for 3. Kablam! De Los Santos with another 3-pointer as we open our fourth and final quarter. And Andy missing the layup. Palua with a putback. Mendez for 3. No good. Autura off the glass. De Los Santos missing a three-pointer. And Ande missing the layup. And a traveling violation called against Lee. Andy for three. No good. Rebound by De Los Santos to Cabantac. Cabantac for three. No good. Tura wide open. Kablam. And Torres with a layup. And Cabantac with a basket off the steal by Malalis. And Andy with the layup. And Mendez on the other hand. And Tura was fouled.
Blackhawks second personal foul.
Etura missing the three-pointer. Rebound by Torres. And De Los Santos was fouled. And a timeout was called by Barangay Santa Maria with 5 minutes and 45 remaining on our fourth quarter. And this timeout is brought to us by Mr. Burger and Daddy Burger ng Bayan. Mendez, kick out to Cabantac to De Los Santos. And a shot clock violation called against Santa Maria. Kilat for three, missed. And the rebound by Torres. Ball stolen by Kilat. Kilat. Layup blocked by Mendez. Ande for 3. Block by Malalis. And ball possession will go to Barangay Santa Maria. And Mendez nails the basket at may kasama pang foul.
On number 8, Torres. First personal foul. Swing of 2 foul.
And an entering to zone violation called against Mendez. And a timeout called by Barangay Banale with 4 minutes and 31 seconds remaining sa tuwang ball game. At to score 81-78, 3-point lead by Barangay Santa Maria. And this timeout is brought to us by CTG Construction. Johnson, blocked by Torres. And Malalis with a basket. And a three-pointer missed by Banale. And Batan was fouled.
Foul number 6, first personal foul. Third
And Ande nails the jumper. De Los Santos with the ball. Lee to Batan to Ande. And Ande nails the layup.
last 2 minutes. This last minute will be by Mayor Scotty Pro. And Mayor Scotty on center.
And Malalis with a layup. And we are entering the final 2 minutes of our ball game, brought to us by our league convener, Sir Lansco. And Johnson missing the reverse layup. Lee with a putback. And Mendez was fouled. And Mendez nails the first throw. And a double dribbling violation called against Andy. Mendez, drop pass to Malalis, to Torres, pull-up jumper, no good. And ball stolen by Cabantac. Mendez. And Cabantac was fouled with 17 seconds remaining sa tuwang game clock.
Third personal foul for deep foul. Shot clock 60.
And De Los Santos was fouled and will go to the free throw line. Banale already in penalty situation.
Push shots for number 8. Got De Los Santos.
And De Los Santos nails the first throw. De Los Santos missing the second. Andy ties the ball game. And a timeout was called by Barangay Santa Maria with 6 seconds remaining sa tuwang ball game. And we are tied at 87.
remaining. 6 seconds.
And ball possession sa Barangay Santa Maria with 6 seconds remaining sa ito ang ball game. 6 seconds remaining sa ito ang regulation and we are tied at 87. And we are going to overtime.
We go to the first quarter.
Ay, last game ginayin ninyo. Uy, yes, ang ilaw ko po nun. Technical look good. Yes. Nakapalimot. Coach. Nalan ko po ang coach. Nalan ko mo. Mulang hapon po ang coach. Out from the court, coach. Nalan ko ilaw ang last game ginayin sa both team, coach. Coach, kinalan ko ilaw po ang coach. Sa buwak ako ba? Last game din nila for one sila. Play-in na din eh. I think mag-one na sila. Play-in na next week.
So last name mga dula.
Oh, last name. Kani.
Wala lagi dulang sa nus eh.
I-update pa ni. Ugma na ko na i-update.
And mga kasenso, welcome sa itong overtime period as we are tied earlier at the end of our regulation. And a turnover para sa Banale. Mendez. And last touch Banale.
Shot clock 5 seconds to shoot.
De Los Santos. And a turnover para sa Santa Maria. Ande for 3. No good. Bola nakuha ni Torres. To De Los Santos for 3. No good. Anong na 5 mana? 3 pa mana. Mag 4 pa na karon. Wala na sa'yo, prara. Upat rara, rep. Wala pa. Nasa'yo, black top look ang goal. Upat pa na.
For team foul.
Ikaw upat pa na, team foul. Palwa. Jumper missed. Bola nakuha ni Tura. And the jumper is in. Kabanta, with a 3-pointer. Tura for 3. No good. Mendez to De Los Santos. And last touch, Banale.
Shot clock 15. 15 seconds to shoot.
And Mendez with a basket.
Mendez.
And last touch, Banale. Mendez, kick out to Kabantak. Bola nakuha ni Malalis. De Los Santos for 3. Kablam! And a timeout called by Barangay Banale with 1 minute and 53 seconds remaining sa itong overtime period. At the score, 95-89. 6-point lead by Barangay Santa Maria.
Rebound lead. Morris, third versatile foul.
And Palawan nails the second throw. De Los Santos missing the layup. Bola nakuha ni Yonson. Palua to Kilat. Kilat. Reverse layup is in. And Kabantak with a basket. And Bathan with a basket. And Mendez missing the first throw. 44 seconds remaining sa tuwang ball game. Sa tuwang overtime period. And at the scores 97-95, 2-point lead by Santa Maria. And Mendez nails the second throw. Andy with a step back, three-pointer, missed. Batahan for 3. Missed. And last touch, Santa Maria. And the Barangay Santa Maria will take their final timeout with 22 seconds remaining sa tuwang overtime period. That to score 98-95. 3-point lead by Barangay Santa Maria.
Jump off working.
Johnson for 3. No good. And De Los Santos missing the first throw. Batan with the ball, 3-pointer. No good. Last touch, Palwa. And that was our ball game. Our final score 98-95. Winner Barangay Santa Maria.